Beep. Bob. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Madison County in southwestern Illinois, northeastern St. Charles County in east central Missouri, northeastern St. Louis County in east central Missouri, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Black Jack, moving east at 55 mph. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Florissant, Granite City, Alton, Hazelwood, Edwardsville, Ferguson, Godfrey, Glen Carbon, Bellefontaine Neighbors, Wood River, Highland, Troy, Bethalto, Maryville, Black Jack, Pontoon Beach, Madison, Spanish Lake, East Alton, and South Roxana. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 21 and 30. Interstate 55 in Illinois between exits 23 and 30. This also includes Confluence State Park. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9:00 p.m. Central Daylight Time for south central and southwestern Illinois and east central Missouri. & hail threat. Radar indicated. Max hail size 1.00 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated. Max wind gust 60 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.